everyone. Today we are going to make two types of toran with color papers. Let's start doing it. To making toran, we need two color papers, satin ribbon, scissors, and to staple the stapler. Now let's start doing it. First, make the leaves. How to make the leaves? First, we have to fold the paper. Like this. In one paper you will get 4 leaves. Then you have to divide. There are 4. Then you have to fold it and one more fold you have to do, and you have to cut into shape. The shape will be like this, leaf shape. Then you have to divide into one. We will take and I'll show you how to give the shape, leaf shape. First you have to fold. Children, I think you all know how to do fan folding. You have to take slanting fold. The paper should be taken into slant. Then up and down. Like this, like a fan folding, but only the thing, it should be slanting like this. For fan folding you will do straight folding, but for the leaf folding we are going to do slant folding. Now see how it has come. I'll show one more like this. First you have to take one leaf. First you have to fold it into half like this, equal fold. Then the end you have to fold like this, slantingly you have to fold. Instead for fan folding you have to take straight. For leaf folding you have to fold it into slant. Like you have to open, it will be like this. So, and like this you have to fold, you have to take according to your door size. So I have taken total 15 like this leaves. Okay. Now we will make a flower. This you will keep aside. Now we will make a flower. For making flower, we have to fold like this. In this, you have to divide this paper. I have folded like this and like this. In this flower, in this paper, you will get 6 flowers. So according to the leaves, you have to take the paper and you have to make the flowers. You have to fold like this. Okay, and you have to cut. After taking the square, first you have to fold like this paper and fold the paper like this. And give a one press in the middle. You can see this press, and you have to fold the paper like this, and you have to fold the paper. It should be equally fold the paper like this. Children, I'll show once again. First you have to fold the paper like this, and one fold like this and like this. Okay, now turn it back, then one more fold like this, and from here to here If you want, you can give a shape with the pencil. I'll cut directly. Here the flower shape. Okay. According to your leaves, you have to cut the flowers like this. Like this. So I have cut all same like the leaves. Here children, you have to take a satin ribbon and your door measurement you have to take. Okay. Then first we'll take a leaves. The ending, if you want, you can staple it or else you can paste it also. First, you are going to take a leaf and you have to bend the leaf like this and you have to put it like this and you have to staple it, or you can paste it also. Yes, same way on this you have to keep the flower and you are going to stick the mirror in the middle. Your children have completed full. The toran are completed. Same like this you can make it. Next one, another one, green color paper, punching machine, kundan, 2 varieties of kundan and half pearl beads, scissors, satin ribbon, fevicol and stapler to staple it. Now we'll start doing it. Now this different type of leaves we are going to cut. First we are going to fold the paper like this and one more fold like this and one more fold. Okay, now this shape you are going to cut like this, only like this, and you have to open it like this. Okay, the shape will be like this. We'll keep aside. Then you have to take a punching machine. The flowers will be getting like this. This also will keep aside. Take a leaf. First you are going to keep a flower in the middle. We'll take 3 leaves like this in the middle. You are going to stick like this, and we'll take a pearl also and we'll stick like this. Okay, then I have 2 varieties of pearls. I have taken small pearls. I'll be sticking like this. And then like this, and white kundan, like this. Same way you are going to stick all the leaves. I have done all like this. Now we have to take a satin ribbon and you are going to step. Your children have completed this. This is second one. Your 2 varieties of toran. I think you liked it, children. I think you have liked it, both the toran. I think you have liked both the toran, children. Thank you.